Why does your Honda dashboard light up? And how does it actually know when something's wrong? That's because Honda doesn't design dashboard warning lights randomly. Every color, symbol, and alert follows a specific logic, and once you understand it, you'll never panic when one lights up again. I'm Adam, and in this video, we're breaking down every major Honda dashboard warning light, what they mean, whether it's safe to keep driving, and exactly what you should do next. The moment a dashboard light turns on, most drivers panic. But Honda didn't design these lights to scare you. They designed them to communicate. In fact, the color of the warning light is the first and most important clue. That's also why many lights appear briefly when you start the car. It's a system check, not a problem. Understanding this color system can stop panic, prevent mistakes, and help you react correctly in seconds. Why do some people keep driving when they shouldn't, while others stop for no reason at all? The answer is simple, because most people just don't understand what the colors are actually telling them. Honda warning lights follow a clear color code. Red lights mean stop immediately. These signal serious problems that can cause damage or danger if you keep driving. Amber or yellow lights mean warning, not emergency. Green and blue lights are informational. These lights are normal and not a cause for concern. Most mistakes happen when drivers ignore color coding. People panic over harmless lights, or worse, continue driving with serious warnings. But once you understand the colors, the dashboard stops feeling scary and starts making sense. Let's first talk about the red lights that you might see. 1. Brake system warning light. The brake system warning light is one you should never ignore. Your brakes are your car's most important safety system, and this light can point to serious issues affecting your ability to slow down or stop safely. But why does this light sometimes come on, even when the brakes seem to work? And how do you know whether it's a minor warning or a sign that driving any further is dangerous? This light can mean several things. It may indicate low brake fluid, a problem in the braking system, or that the parking brake is still engaged. If the parking brake is fully released and the light stays on, do not continue driving. Low fluid can signal worn brake pads or a leak, both of which reduce braking power. What you need to do is pull over safely and have the car checked immediately. 2. Charging system warning light. This warning light isn't just about your battery. It signals a problem with the entire charging system that keeps your Honda running. That includes the alternator, battery, and electrical connections that power everything while you drive. Why does this light often appear while the car is still driving normally? And why do many drivers assume they can just make it home without realizing what's actually happening? When this light comes on, your car is running on stored battery power alone. Once that power is used up, the engine will shut off, sometimes without warning. Power steering, lights, and safety systems can fail suddenly. If this light appears, reduce electrical usage and head to a safe stopping point immediately. 3. Overheating warning light. The engine temperature warning light means your engine is overheating. Honda engines are designed to operate within a narrow temperature range. When this light turns red, that balance has already been lost. But why do some drivers keep going when this light appears? And why does overheating cause damage so quickly, even if the car still feels like it's running fine? Overheating can be caused by low coolant, a failed radiator fan, a leaking hose, or a bad water pump. Continuing to drive can warp engine components and destroy the head gasket within minutes. If this light comes on, pull over immediately, turn off the engine, and let it cool completely. Do not open the radiator cap while hot. 4. SRS. Warning light. The airbag, or SRS. Warning light means there's a problem with your vehicle's supplemental restraint system. This system includes airbags, sensors, and seatbelt tensioners designed to protect you in a crash. So why is this light dangerous, even though nothing feels wrong while driving? And how can a hidden system failure quietly remove one of your car's most important safety features? When this light stays on, the airbag system may not deploy in an accident, or it could deploy incorrectly. That means the protection you're counting on may not be there when you need it most. Basically, what this means is that this light doesn't affect how the car drives, which is why many people choose to ignore it. But driving with a failed SRS system is a serious safety risk. Consequently, the car should be inspected as soon as possible to restore proper protection. 5. Seatbelt warning. Light. This light shows up when the driver or passenger hasn't fastened their seatbelt. While it seems simple, it's one of the most important reminders Honda gives you, because seatbelts save lives in every type of crash. But why do some people ignore it, thinking it's just a beep or annoyance? And why can one small click make the difference between a minor scrape and serious injury? When this light comes on, it's not optional, because the car is warning you that safety systems like airbags rely on seatbelts to work properly. A seatbelt distributes crash forces and keeps you in the right position. Ignoring this light reduces protection in a crash and can increase injury risk dramatically. So what you should do is always buckle up for every seat, every trip. If you're finding this useful so far, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got every Honda warning light explained. Now that you know which red warning lights require an immediate stop, let's move on to some of the amber lights. 1. Check engine light. The check engine light is one of the most common lights on any Honda dashboard. It can indicate something minor, like a loose gas cap, or something serious, like an engine misfire or emissions problem. Why do some drivers ignore it for months, while others panic the moment it comes on? And how can a simple light hide problems that could get expensive fast? A solid check engine light usually signals a minor issue that still needs attention soon. On the other hand, a flashing light is more urgent. It often means a misfire that can damage the catalytic converter if ignored. Common causes include a loose or damaged gas cap, faulty sensors, or spark plug issues. If it's solid, you need to schedule a service soon. And if it's flashing, reduce speed, avoid heavy acceleration, and get it checked immediately. Ignoring it can escalate small problems into costly repairs. 2. ABS warning light. The ABS, or anti-lock, braking system warning light signals a problem with your brakes anti-lock system. This system prevents wheel lockup during sudden stops, helping you maintain steering control in slippery conditions. But why does this light sometimes turn on even when your brakes feel fine? And how can ignoring it reduce your safety, especially in rain or snow? When the ABS light comes on, your regular brakes still work, but the anti-lock system may not activate. That means in hard braking or slippery conditions, the wheels could lock up, and you might lose steering control. Some common causes for this include wheel sensor issues or ABS module problems. If this light appears, have your brakes inspected soon and drive cautiously. 3. Vehicle Stability Assist, known as VSA. This light shows that Honda's traction or stability system has activated or there's a problem with it. The Vehicle Stability Assist helps keep the car stable during turns, slippery roads, or sudden steering maneuvers by adjusting engine power and applying brakes to individual wheels. Why do drivers sometimes see this light blink and panic? And why can ignoring it lead to losing control in tricky driving conditions? If the light blinks, it usually means the system is actively helping, like when accelerating on wet or loose roads. That's normal. If the light stays on continuously, it signals a fault in the system. While your car is still drivable, VSA may not assist in emergency maneuvers. Common causes include faulty wheel sensors, steering angle sensor issues, or low battery voltage. So, have it checked soon because it's a safety system you don't want offline. Now for the green lights, they don't mean something is wrong, but understanding them helps you know your car better and avoid unnecessary panic. 1. Headlights and high beams. These lights show when your headlights or high beams are on. Green usually means low beams. Blue indicates high beams. Honda flashes these indicators at startup to check bulbs. But why do drivers sometimes think a blue light is a warning? And why do some panic thinking a system has failed, when in reality it's just a visual cue? These lights are purely informational. Green tells you your low beams are active, blue shows high beams. If they blink briefly at startup, it's a system check. They don't signal a fault, but being aware helps prevent accidentally leaving high beams on or misjudging visibility at night. 2. Turn signals. Arrows blink when your turn signals are active or the hazard lights are on. They're simple indicators, but they also flash faster if a bulb is out. This is a helpful reminder, not a warning. 3. Cruise control. Honda's cruise systems let you maintain a set speed automatically. Green icons mean cruise is active, while blue or white may indicate adaptive cruise is engaged, monitoring distance to vehicles ahead. But could it be your car telling you that the system isn't ready, or that it's waiting for input? When the icon is on, cruise is functioning normally. If it flickers or stays on without engagement, it usually means the system detected something, like a sensor blockage or steering input, and won't activate. Understanding this prevents accidental acceleration or frustration on long drives. It's information, not a fault. 4. Eco mode. The Eco mode light shows that Honda's fuel-saving mode is active. It adjusts throttle response, climate control, and other systems to maximize efficiency. No warnings here, it's just your car letting you know it's being extra economical. 5. Lane assist or Honda sensing indicators. These lights tell you when lane keep assist, collision mitigation, or other Honda sensing features are active. They help you stay centered in your lane and alert you to nearby vehicles. They also blink or change color if the system detects an issue. Otherwise, they're purely informational. Now let's talk about how Honda's newer cars talk a lot more than the older ones. Modern dashboards include a variety of indicators which aren't emergencies. Instead, they're high-tech ways your car keeps you safe, efficient, and in control. But with so many lights and icons, it's easy to panic or ignore them. How do you know which are critical and which are simply guiding you? Honda sensing alerts. Blink or show icons when forward collision warning, adaptive cruise, or lane assist is active. They help prevent accidents, not cause them. Collision mitigation warnings tell you when braking or steering adjustments are suggested. And if ignored, the system won't intervene. Similarly, lane keep assist lights show lane departure activity. Auto start or stop icons indicate the engine paused to save fuel, so no panic is needed. Finally, hybrid system lights show battery level or region status, keeping you informed about eco-driving. None of these are emergencies. They're simply your car talking to you, helping you drive smarter, safer, and more efficiently. Remember that warning light we teased at the start? The one that doesn't tell you to stop driving, but can quietly ruin your engine? That's the engine oil pressure warning light. So why do so many Honda owners see it, ignore it, and think it's probably nothing? And how can just a few seconds of driving after it comes on cause catastrophic engine damage? The truth is, this light measures oil pressure, not oil level. Low oil level doesn't always trigger it, and normal-looking oil can still fail to circulate fast enough. When it comes on, your engine isn't getting the protection it needs. Moving parts are scraping, overheating, and wearing faster. Even the seconds matter, and driving even a short distance can warp components, damage bearings, or destroy the head gasket. That's why this light is often called the silent killer, but it's anything but that. Honda dashboard lights are your car talking and not complaining. Red means stop, amber means act soon, green and blue mean info. Understanding them protects your engine, your safety, and your peace of mind. Which Honda warning light scared you the most or saved you from a bigger problem? Let us know in the comments. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch more videos about your Honda. You can find it on your screen right now. And if you want more practical, no-nonsense advice on making cars last as long as possible, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.